Also in the 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop, Gypsy Red and Shoreline Beige, which are probably the greatest color on a 57 Bel Air that you could ever have.
Sure.
Or 55 through 7, a Tri-5,
Tri-5.
if you will. And red and beige interior, 77,000 actual miles. It's got the 265 cubic inch two-barrel V8, but it's got a turbo hydromatic 350.
Yep.
So makes it pleasant to drive.
3-speed.
Yeah, 3-speed, because a 3-speed manual back in the day, boy, you begged for 2 more gears.
Yeah, exactly.
Even a 4-speed back in the muscle car days, you begged for a 5th or 6th gear. But this is the first year for the Tri-5s. The Tri-5s being the 1955, 56, and 57 Chevys. In 58, they went to a completely different body style, and that was 1 year only.
Right.
So that cost a gazillion dollars.
Probably.
May have the start of the downfall of General Motors for a while. But this one's really beautiful. And that, if you haven't seen Gypsy Red and Shoreline Beige is almost an off-white color, but it's just really rich and great looking.
Iconic.
Very iconic.
I hate to overuse that word.
I know.
I try not to, but there's no other replacement for it.
It's such a fancy word.
It's a good word.
I like to say iconic.
It says it all.